guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am Amy. I am so sorry I have been gone for a little while. I am battling this cold flu stuff that has went through my house. My child's been sick, my husband's been sick, and now I am. And I've been doing everything just to make it through with everybody being sick, so I've not had a chance to film for a while, and I am sorry for that. But today I was going to share with you my Ipsy bag I got in this week. I'm so excited. I have opened it just because I wanted to make sure nothing was broken or frozen, because when it came in we had an ice storm go through, so it was not pleasant. But here's the bag. It is so soft and velvety. I love that. And it has Ipsy on the little pull tab here. There is one add-on that I redeemed some points for, and that was the Ofra Madison Miller highlighter in Moondance, and this is absolutely gorgeous. Let's do a little swatch here. Oh, it's creamy too. I have not touched anything. I just opened it, made sure nothing was broken or frozen, but oh, look at that. Ooh, it's pretty. Alrighty, and then what else is this? The Prosecco Radiant. It's IBY Beauty in Prosecco Radiant Glow Highlighter. Ooh, get glowing with our ultra fine high impact formula. Will pop you all over all your favorite places. Let's see if we can get it. They always make packages almost impossible to open. Really? There we go. Ooh, that's kind of cute. Nice and compact. Oh, there we go. Ooh, that's very pretty too. Ooh, and that one's very golden. That one closes really hard. And that's what the Prosecco looks like there. And then the Autobomb Girl Powder Cheeks on the Glow, on the Go, sorry. No. Does not give a shade name, but this is what that is. It's a blush. It's a really pretty blush. Let's see. Yeah, I made a mess of that smudge. And there that is there. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. There. I'm just pulling everything out of this bag so I don't have to keep digging around. Oh, that's cute. The inside of the bag has this little tab that says Ipsy as well. That is so cute. They got the Pure Brazilian with keratin C, argan oil, and cocoa butter. Deep conditioning mask. And it says here, directions: apply deep conditioning mask liberally throughout towel dried hair from root to end. For fine hair, apply 2 inches from the root. Rinse after 20 minutes. So we'll be giving that a try and seeing if that helps any of my fabulous frizziness here. And this one I'm kind of excited to try. It is the Tarte Sex Kitten Liquid Liner. And ooh. And that's the black liquid liner. Nice. And then last but not least is the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Longwear Foundation and Concealer in LG6. And this is when you get to pick your product. So this is one I picked because I thought it looked interesting. And it does have safety seal on it, but we're going to swatch it. So let's see if we can get this little safety seal off. Ooh, there it went. Nice and easy for me. I'm just going to just a little drop. We don't want too much. That's what it looks like on my finger. And oh yeah, probably can't really tell. That's going to blend out nicely, match my skin. Very pretty. Oh, very, very nice. All right. And then in the on the card it says, save the date 2/24, love at first click. We keep those lovey-dovey vibes going to choose your favorite product on choice day 2/24, treating yourself to exclusive bundles including up to 80% off, including in flash sales. You deserve it. Win a V-Day gift. This month just got sweeter. Enter for the chance to win a major glam bag haul and $1,000. Share a selfie and tag 3 people you love and Ipsy using hashtag Ipsy Feel the Love and Ipsy Giveaway. And then this month's theme was Feel the Love, that warm fuzzy feeling you get from being in love. And then inside it gives you a description of everything you got in your bag this month. So I'm pretty impressed with what I got this month. I'm really excited to try everything, especially highlighters. I have really become to love highlighters, so I can't wait to give those a try. So make sure to let me know what you think. If you got the same thing in your bag. If you get the bag, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.